Begin this practice in a seated meditation posture. Close your eyes. Let's first pay attention to the sensations of grounding, the contact of your feet with the floor, contact of your body with the chair, with your seat. Taking a moment to feel the sensations of grounding. Bringing awareness to your spine and posture. Making sure that you're sitting in an upright and awake position. All right, let's take a moment to feel the sensations in your body. What sensations are present? Do you feel any pain in your body? Do you feel cold? Do you feel hungry? Does your body feel warm? What do you notice? Bringing awareness to your emotional body. What emotions are present? Do you feel joyful? Do you feel anxious? Do you feel stressed? Bringing awareness to your mind. What thoughts are present? Is your mind busy or quiet? Do you keep coming back to a familiar, perhaps difficult thought? Do you notice a connection between the sensations in your body, the emotions that are present, the thoughts that are present, and what is happening in your daily life? And what is present now? Step 2. Becoming aware of your breathing. Feeling the breath in the sensations of breathing in your belly area. So let's become aware of the movement of your belly and abdomen as you breathe in and out. Feeling the sensations of the abdominal wall move away from your spine as you inhale. And feeling the sensations of the abdominal wall moving towards your spine as you exhale. The intention for the next minute is to feel the breath as much as you can in the belly area. Are you distracted? Have you started to think about something? Notice that and return your attention to the belly, to the sensations of breathing in the belly area. The sensations of movement in the abdominal wall. And the sensations of contraction and expansion of the belly. And step 3, expanding our awareness of the breath into the whole body. So maintaining your awareness of the breath, feeling the breath. And as you feel the sensations of breathing, you can move your awareness into the sensations in the body. Perhaps feeling sensations of pain in the body. And having a sense almost like you're breathing into those sensations. Maybe you feel some stress in your body. You can have a sense of breathing into the stress. What emotions are present? You can be aware of the breath, at the same time breathing into the emotions, into the anxiety, into the worry. And we can breathe into the thoughts that are present. Perhaps you have difficult thoughts that are present. You can be aware of the breath and at the same time aware of the thoughts. And finally, just having a sense of grounding, an awareness of your breath, and an awareness of the sensations of grounding. And the intention is to carry this quality of awareness into the rest of your day.